All praises for Allah, the Lord of the worlds. My respected elders and my honorable Islamic scholars and my dear brothers, I speak to you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, today I have stood up in front of you because I want to speak about the perfect order of Allah's creation. So Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, "La shamsu yanbaghi laha an tudrika al-qamar." It is not for the sun to overtake the moon. "Wala al-laylu sabiqun nahar." Nor does the night outstrip the day. "Wa kullun fi falakin yasbahun." It is swimming in an orbit. Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah. Allah Ta'ala declares in this noble verse the perfect order of His creation. The sun does not overtake the moon, nor does the night precede the day. It follows a path fixed for it by the command of Allah. This precise harmony is not accidental, nor is it independent. Rather, it is a clear sign of divine control and wisdom. Subhanallah. Please speak with me, Subhanallah. So, according to the classical Sunni Mufassirin, the word falak refers to rounded, well-defined course, and the word yasbahun describes smoothly continuous motion. The sun, the moon, the night and the day move with perfect obedience, never clashing and never debating. This obedience of the heavens is a proof that they are created servants, not goods, and that they function only by Allah's will. Subhanallah. Imam At-Tabari explains that just as these celestial bodies submit to Allah without their resistance, and human beings are called to submit willingly to Allah. And Ibn Kathir clarifies that their movement is constant and regulated, showing Allah's ongoing governance of the universe. And Imam Al-Qurtubi highlights that this precise harmony establishes Tawheed. Allahu Akbar. Allah is one. Imam Al-Qurtubi highlights that precise harmony establishes Tawheed. Had there been more than one controller, disorder would have appeared. Allahu Akbar. What an obedience. What an obedience. This verse affirms the Sunni creed that Allah alone creates motion and rest, maintains the universe at every time, at every moment, governs all affairs with perfect obedience, governs all affairs with perfect wisdom. The order we observe in the heavens is a sign meant to strengthen Iman and remind the believer that obedience to Allah brings harmony while disobedience brings loss. Just as the sun and the moon submit fully to their Lord, the believer is called to submit fully to Allah's guidance, trusting His decree and worshipping Him alone. So, oh my dear Islamic honorable scholars and my dear brothers, I want to end my lecture. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَادِ وَآخِرِ دَوَانَا وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَادِ. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.